Yep.
Oh, okay. 3.
What is that? Ready?
Come on.
Let's go. No,
Not
William.
now.
Okay, ready? Set, go. You moron. Finish it before you take a turn.
He's crying.
Yeah, I am.
William barely got it in his mouth before he puffed it out.
It came out like a. Okay, this is pretty funny.
Okay, it was worth it.
Go away.
You asked me to record it. Well, you did pretty good. And did you actually do it? Did you? What? Oh.
Like. Oh. Didn't even know what to say.
I drank that whole.
Oh my god.
John, is it fun?
You doing it again tomorrow?
No. Hey.
Oh my god.
You have cinnamon.
Yeah, no kidding. Well. So ambulance calling for you.
How you doing, William? Was that fun? Was this your idea?
Well,
Wasn't it your idea?
yeah.
I think it was your idea.
Good. Oh, we just did the cinnamon count.
How you doing there, big boy? Don't be spitting on my carrots.
I don't think I'll be eating carrots.
Good, man.
No, it's okay.
It's up my nose.
It's up your nose.
Start drinking the water.
Okay. Put it away now.
Oh,
Yeah,
Time to
I think you were the loser.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
You know, she only
Can you admit it?
She only had this much.
Okay.
More than that, actually.
But you need to, before I turn it off, you have to say.
lose!
Okay.